Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Comments. It is Thursday morning. It's August the 17th. Thanks for joining us. Very heavy rains fell in parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota overnight. A lot of these rains are skipping over driest parts of Iowa. Now, they did get some rains. Our office in Storm Lake reporting, about 3/4 of an inch of rain, but it's much less than what some of these areas of Nebraska, which got 3 to 6 inches, heavy flooding out at Dakota Fest in Mitchell, South Dakota. These areas are experiencing some very heavy flooding, and a lot of it is skipping over parts of Iowa. We are a little higher overnight in the grains. Soybeans are the upside leader here. There's continued talk about frost, and that is what's driving prices in the overnight. This frost could occur as early as late August, maybe 2 weeks from now, or early September, and you're talking temperatures in the low 30s. That's certainly enough to end the growing season for some soybeans, especially if they are in the low-lying areas. It'll get a little cooler, but right now it's a long ways out, but that is what the longer-term forecasts are talking about. So, if you're a producer that is banking on that crop insurance guarantee for some price insurance, price risk, buying some calls in here, November bean calls, not the worst thing in the world to do. The September's expire a week from tomorrow, so it doesn't give you enough time, but you can go out with some November calls, even some short-dated options. Maybe an October option would give you enough time to look at a frost risk type of scare. And really, that's the next marketing opportunity for producers. We get another scare that could give you another opportunity to make some sales. Export sales this morning, let me check my notes here. Beans were good at 48.7, wheat at 23.3, and corn 28.9. All those are better than expected. There was a private export sale announcement, 165,000 metric tons of soybeans sold to China, but the rub here is its optional origin. It could be from the U.S., it could be from another source, so it is not overly bullish to U.S. prices. Egypt ended up buying 355,000 metric tons of Russian and Ukraine wheat, snubbing the U.S. That sent U.S. wheat prices here to contract lows, and that's not the most technically bullish market wheat when you have new contract lows being established. All right, in the livestock trade, very volatile day in the hogs. We did a video, posted it on our website and on Twitter, and that indicates we possibly have a top here in the hog market. We have rallied up and made some new highs for the move. Fifth highest day in the life of contract of October, then closed on a bearish reversal. Hog weights increased, cutout values down. I'm looking for hogs to open lower this morning. Cattle should be mixed and two-sided. We haven't really seen much cash trade yet. I think you're going to see some develop today. After that cattle market gets going, you see some cash trade develop maybe by mid-morning, or at least the bids start to be increased. All right, have a great day. Contact any of our offices. They would be glad to assist you with marketing and trading efforts. This is Brian Hoops, Midwest Market Solutions. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.